Ever wondered how ChatGPT understands your questions? It's not magic, it's a large language model. In the next 6 minutes, we'll break down exactly how these AI systems work in plain English. A large language model, or LLM, is an aid trained on billions of words from books, websites, and articles. It learned patterns in language by studying massive amounts of text. Think of it like a student who's read nearly everything on the internet. Now it can predict what word comes next in any sentence you write. LLMs learn through something called machine learning. Imagine showing a child thousands of sentences with the last word hidden. Eventually they get really good at guessing the missing word. That's basically training. Yima. The model adjusts itself millions of times until it predicts words accurately. More training data and more computing power equals smarter models. LLMs excel because they learned relationships between words. They understand that queen relates to king similarly to how woman relates to man. This isn't memorization, it's pattern recognition at scale. With billions of parameters, these models capture nuanced language understanding, enabling them to answer questions, write essays, code, and have conversations naturally. Today's LLMs power ChatGPT, Google's Bard, and countless applications. They write emails, debug code, explain concepts, and assist in research. However, they're not perfect, they can hallucinate facts or make mistakes. It for that understanding their strengths and limitations helps us use them responsibly as tools, not replacements for human judgment and creativity. If this helped clarify AI for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI concepts explained simply. Comment below what AI topic should we explain next.